This is Lug Legacy. Lug Legacy is a collection where we've been asking, and y'all said, it's time.
It's time. And thank you, because we wouldn't be here if it weren't for all of you, and we're so grateful. And these are your favorites.
These wheels roll every direction.
This is the cutest under-the-seat roller bag. For me, I think this is the perfect go-to-work bag if you need to bring things in rather than putting weight on your shoulder. Look at it.
It's roll
like
in.
a little, it's on ice skates.
Okay, as a former flight attendant, may I say, wonderful wheels. Oh. Wonderful wheels.
Those, they matter.
I bow to these wheels.
I bow.
Okay, quickly. This is the classic Wheelie Luggage Ranger. You said, is it coming? Is it coming? It's here. It's now. And this is the Sea Life Blue that or actually on your screen right now is the Spotted Leopard. Right next to the Spotted Leopard, if we could go at the very end, there we go. There's the Heather Gray. Thank you, love.
You're welcome.
And then Spotted Leopard, what's that look like on the inside?
Oh, here, I can help
Who's
you.
she? Thank you.
Maybe this one will do. There we go. That's a little easier.
Goldy pretty. And then Sea Life Blue. There we go, on the inside. There's all the little critters. See, there's a turtle, there's a starfish, there's even coral. So cute. Hopefully my hair's not in the way. And then the acai berry.
Look how pretty for a roller bag.
Look at this.
And you can match back with our other bags.
I know every host right now is going, item number. I need to order that.
So
F48710. Here's the black.
Oh, sorry.
Beautiful. Oh, don't be. And then magenta at the very end. Okay, it's a sale price. It is 5 easy payments of $32 and free shipping. Rolly, love, dual spinner wheels, you had me at hello. Lockable zippers.
I mean, we did not skimp out on this bag. And this is just a great size that you, if you wanted to find the size, you couldn't. And just the colors and the styles. And I want to point out, look at the canter. Like how cute. You can slide it on over. We
There's
just
your whole
had this
trip.
one. There's your book trip. So we've got the retractable handle. Take you on a tour inside. We also give you this helper handle, which I think is so important because if you are lifting this up, we've got a little helper handle. We've got the double wheels that we talked about that feel like your bag is on ice skates. It glides over all surfaces, and then it's also wipeable.
Wait a minute, it's 12 by 14 by 7. So even in the regional jets, I could fit this in the overhead.
Oh, 100%. And it's just such a treat to wheel around and take your tote bag off your shoulder. This is a rollable tote bag, right? It's a great size, 2 pen pockets, great organization, soft lined pocket in there. I also pulled a book out of that front pocket. Then we give you the ability to customize with our charm bar. You can pick up the charms on .com. We also give you that signature cell phone pocket. Here are the locking zippers, the nice easy grab handle, the retractable handle.
Can I put in a request for a charm?
Oh, please do.
I want googly eyes. I don't know why. Please
love
continue.
You.
No, it just came to
that is the best.
Zings in and zings
out.
out.
I love those. I love that.
Look at all
how
the
fun.
space.
Look at how much. So this is something that I've taken on weekend trips, 2 and 3 days. This is the perfect size because look, I have a built-in toiletry case already. I don't need another bag. Look how much I get in there. I have my little pill case there. I even have my laptop if I want to throw that in case I want to do some work. Then we've got our trolley. I've got sneakers. I've got a packable bag for all the shopping I do. And then I even have a packing cube with my clothes in there.
This bag can't weigh 5 pounds.
No.
Like, I mean, it feels
it's so light.
Super lightweight.
I know.
But the weight of your stuff is what's going to weigh the bag. And so that's what I love about Lug too, is you never make a heavy bag.
Right.
So when you get this home and you're thinking, I'm supposed to go on vacation, the weight of your stuff is all you want it to be.
That's right.
And however much you put in there is how much it's going to weigh. The fact that it's free shipping, the fact that the wheels roll every single direction, the fact that it looks that good, and I like that it's fabric. You know, a lot of times if you are going to travel with a bag and if it's hard-sided, I do love hard-sided too.
Yes.
I love that too.
Right.
But it scratches up quickly and it looks tattered quickly.
And this is squishable.
Yeah.
Like I always appreciate just being able to get one more thing in in my bag, and you can do that with soft luggage.
Yeah.
Here are we kind of do have googly eyes.
I know, that's what made me
Is
think
that
of it.
what made you think of it?
That's totally right. I was like, I really like that idea.
I like that idea too as a charm. You can also double stack these. So if you're like me and ask Brian to carry my luggage also.
That's a lovely gentleman.
He can stack mine on top of his. So this can even stack on other luggage.
Okay, so let's go through your choices because it is back. We're calling it new today, but this is from the vault for Lug. So this is Lug Legacy. You said, is it coming back? Here it is. This is Sea Life Blue. Next to Sea Life Blue is the Leopard. Then next to that one is Heather Gray. Let me straighten that out. Straighten out.
Oh, sorry.
Here's Heather Gray. Actually, I think I did that. And then up top, we have it in magenta. That's the one I'm wheeling around. We also have the black, and then the acai berry. Oh my gosh, we have a world traveler here in our studio.
Oh, hello.
Hi, Rachel.
I just happened to come wheeling by, and I brought you a little present. So this can even hold your Temptations kettle.
You know, do you have a kettle with footballs on it?
You know, I happen to have one, and it may just be coming up on QVC 2 as my pick of the show, and it can fit very lovely right into your lug bag.
Terrible.
We have a full hour of Temptations coming up on QVC 2, and then if you like nugget ice,
Yes.
we have the Opal nugget ice maker on QVC 2.
Oh, that's a big find. As a world traveler,
Yes.
what do you think of these wheels?
These are amazing.
All
Easy
directions.
peasy. Look at this.
I know.
You could do a little tap dance with this and just dance your way out.
This is why we're
I
friends.
love this.
This is why
Rachel, thank you.
You're very welcome.
We'll be
I have
tuning
some
in.
tea for both of you later. Good to see you, Debbie.
I'm gonna need it
Rachel.
because I've been screaming for 3 hours. Thank you. Acai berry, black, magenta, heather gray, leopard, and sea life blue. We're wrapping up for now. Please know, woo, we are gonna go double back. I don't mean back in time. I don't mean do the show all over again, although I would. I mean that we have a brand new for you, and it's called the double back. This is an all-in-one belt bag that we have